Hello everyone. You're watching Daily English. Today, I have an interesting story for you. Plans for 2025. We'll not only enjoy the story but also learn some useful grammar for discussing the future. Ready? Let's begin. Plans for 2025. Lucy is a 24-year-old woman with big dreams. One quiet evening in December, she sat by the window with a cup of tea and a notebook, writing down her plans for 2025.
In January,
She wrote,
I will start my fitness journey. I'm planning to join a gym and exercise 3 times a week. By the summer, I hope to feel stronger and healthier.
Next, she turned to her career goals.
This year, I am going to apply for a new job. I want to work in a company where I can learn new skills and grow as a professional.
Lucy also dreamed of traveling.
In July,
She thought,
I will visit Italy. I've always wanted to see Rome, Venice, and Florence. I'm going to save money every month so I can enjoy the trip without any worries.
Finally, Lucy wrote about her personal life.
In 2025, I want to spend more time with my family and friends. I will call my grandparents every week and organize small gatherings with my best friends.
As she closed her notebook, Lucy smiled.
This year will be amazing.
She felt excited about the future and determined to make her plans come true. Grammar. Future with will. Used for decisions made at the moment of speaking. Examples. I will start my fitness journey. I will visit Italy. Future with going to. Used for plans and intentions. Examples. I am going to apply for a new job. I'm going to save money. Present continuous for future. Used for fixed arrangements. Example. I'm planning to join a gym. What are your plans for 2025? Can you write your own sentences using will or going to? I hope you understand everything. Now let's take a test to determine how well you understand the topic. Quiz. Talking about future plans. 1. Which sentence is correct for expressing a spontaneous decision? A. I will help you with your homework. B. I am going to help you with your homework. C. I help you with your homework. Answer. A. I will help you with your homework. 2. What is the correct sentence for a planned action? A. She will travel to Italy in July. B. She is going to travel to Italy in July. C. She travels to Italy in July. Answer. B. She is going to travel to Italy in July. 3. Which sentence uses the present continuous to talk about the future? A. We will visit our grandparents tomorrow. B. We are visiting our grandparents tomorrow. C. We visited our grandparents tomorrow. Answer. B. We are visiting our grandparents tomorrow. 4. What is the difference between will and going to? A. Will is for fixed plans, and going to is for spontaneous decisions. B. Will is for spontaneous decisions, and going to is for planned actions. C. There is no difference. Answer. B. Will is for spontaneous decisions, and going to is for planned actions. 5. Choose the sentence that describes a prediction based on evidence. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain soon. B. I think it will rain tomorrow. C. I am raining tomorrow. Answer. A. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain soon. 6. Complete the sentence. In 2025, a new job. A. Will start. B. Am going to start. C. Both are correct. Answer. C. Both are correct. Well done. Now use today's lesson to create your own sentences about the future. Let me know your 2025 plans in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Daily English for more. Bye for now.